Welcome to the British School YouTube channel for free lessons, free courses, free masterclasses, free conferences. Right now we are going to make out CPE. What is it? CPE abbreviation, Certificate of Proficiency in English, and we are going to analyze and explore and make out as well the reading and use of English components, writing, listening and speaking as well. So the major issue of the British school is you would get a high band score or your required band score. So you need to upload our video and for download some materials, lessons, courses, and even some books. You just need to reach us via email, and our experts and examiners will support you and even feedback you during 24 hours. So our experts and examiners will support you to get a high band score of all Cambridge level exams, including IELTS. We have already done TOEFL and CAE, FCE, and right now CPE, TESOL, CELTA, Delta, and many others. And don't miss out these free courses. So let's get started. So what is it, CPE exam? I would like to talk about CPE exam to give you a brief information. Actually, this is a C2 advanced level. Actually, this is not advanced, this is proficiency level. So you need to actually be at advanced level to go forward to proficiency qualifications, which displays the rules that you have mastered English to an exceptional level as a native speaker. It proves you can communicate with the fluency and sophistication of a highly competent English speaker very easily. So actually preparing for and passing this CPE exam means you have the level of English that's need actually to study or work in a very senior professional or academic environment. For instance, on a postgraduate or PhD program. So C2 proficiency qualifications, let's just actually pinpoint this information. Displays that you can study demanding subjects at the highest levels, including postgraduate and PhD programs, as I've already explained you. Then negotiate and persuade effectively at senior management level in international business settings. Then understand the main ideas of complex pieces of writing and talk about complex or sensitive issues and deal confidently with difficult questions. And reasons to choose actually C2 proficiency. This is our actually British school highest level exam, and not British school only, but also in Cambridge levels as well. Passing it proves that you have mastered English to an exceptional level, helps you to develop the English skills needed to success in very high level in academic or professional environments. So here it is. Actually the test has 5 sections. You need to divide into 5 sections, but reading and use of English, this is actually the same exam as in CAE as well. So actually this is similar exam. So if you will pass successfully, and you will pass successfully definitely with the British school, the team's support and approach of British school, correct path, strategic techniques, direction, so you will have actually knowledge that no one has, because it's free courses and our experts try to you to achieve a high band score. So if you will pass one successfully, the others and the rest will be very easily to pass successfully and a higher band score. So let's go for dividing components reading. We do have 4 parts actually, and 3 parts of use of English actually. So you will have for reading 90 minutes and for use of English also wise 90 minutes as well. What is it, 90 minutes? It means 1 hour and 30 minutes. So actually reading and use of English shows you can deal confidently with various types of text, passages, extracts such as fiction and non-fiction books, journals, newspapers, and manuals. Then we will need to go to the writing composition. Here it is. We also do have 2 hours for that because we do have 2 tasks. Actually, you need to it requires you to be able to write a variety of text types such as essays, reports, and reviews. You see, once again, you need to learn essays. You need to expand your vocabulary. You need to have a range of vocabulary. In that case, you would need to follow our structure because essays, GRE, GMAT, SAT, TOEFL, IELTS, CPE, CAE, FICE, the same essays. You will be faced with the same essays. If you will pass once, then it will be very easily you to pass successfully the rest Cambridge level exams. So listening part, and you have 4 actually recordings, and you will have 40 minutes approximately, and it requires you to be able to follow and understand a range of spoken materials such as lectures, surely, as in IELTS and in TOEFL as well, speeches and interviews. And the last one is the speaking part component, and you will have 16 minutes approximately, and you will have 3 parts, and these speaking tests your ability to communicate effectively in face-to-face situations. So let's go to the reading part once again, and you will see that what we will have there. Part 1 have 3 texts with 18 gaps. Part 2 you will have 4 related texts with 2 questions each, and 3rd part text with missing paragraphs, and 4th part text with multiple choice questions. And use of English of proficiency level, you will be faced with 3 parts, text with 15 gaps, word formation, and the 3rd part is gapped sentences. And the listening component have 4 recordings and 2 parts, including 4 passages with multiple choice questions, and 1 long passage with gapped text. And speaking, actually you will have, as I told you, 15, 16, sometimes even 19 minutes, because you will be probably have the interview with your with other candidate, who is also passing the speaking part of CPE exam. And format will be the oral test, consists of 3 parts. So part 1 is interview, test ability to use language for social purposes, such as in making introductions, answering questions, and giving an opinion. Actually, all of the topic will be put to our Facebook page, Instagram account, and YouTube channel. So that's why you need to stay in tune to get updated fresh information and materials. Let's go to the part 2, collaborative task. These tasks actually test your ability to use language to discuss and interpret, to agree or disagree, negotiate and collaborate, to rank or classify, speculate, evaluate, make decisions, and many others. And third part, this is long-term and discussion as in IELTS and TOEFL as well, which tests your ability to speak at length coherently, to use language to develop a topic, describe, compare and contrast, hypothesis and comment. So you will pass this very, very successfully with the British School team. And British School team provides free evaluation of all Cambridge level writing tasks, and even you can join to our speaking mock exam. You just need to register. You just need to get in touch with us via email. British School team would like to extend our special gratitude to all our students. Thank you for your ongoing support. Well, that's all for this lesson.